Understanding the phrase, voucher. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the word, voucher, to understand its meaning and usage in the English language. It's a common word with a range of applications. So, let's unravel it together. Voucher is our keyword today. A voucher is essentially a document or piece of paper that confirms or acts as evidence for a transaction or an entitlement. Imagine you are at a store, and you receive a voucher. This document can often be exchanged for goods or services. It's like a ticket that represents a certain value or confirms something specific. 1. Gift voucher. This is a popular one. A gift voucher is a card or a piece of paper that you buy at a shop and give to someone, which entitles the person to exchange it for goods worth the same amount. 2. Payment voucher. This serves as proof of a monetary transaction. When a company pays its bills, it might use a payment voucher to keep a record of the payment. 3. Discount voucher. Ever received a paper or code that offers a certain percentage off on your next purchase? That's a discount voucher. 4. Travel voucher. If you faced issues on a flight, sometimes airlines might give you a travel voucher as compensation, which can be used towards future travel. To truly grasp a word's meaning, it helps to see it in action. Let's look at some examples. 1. Sarah received a gift voucher for her birthday and used it to buy a new dress. 2. The accountant prepared a payment voucher for the monthly rent. 3. I have a discount voucher for 10% off at the cafe. Let's go grab a coffee. 4. Due to the flight delay, the airline provided passengers with a travel voucher for their next booking. I hope this breakdown helps clarify the versatile and useful term, voucher, for you. Whenever you hear or see this word, you'll now be equipped to understand and use it effectively. Remember, English is a vast language with words that often carry various meanings based on context. The more you learn, the more fluent you become. Stay curious, and happy learning!